Hello friends, Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Trailer Builders. Back in Arcadia again today for Coffee and Construction episode 43. Oh my goodness, we have some beautiful countertops and some awesome paint to show you today. I'm so excited. Here you go, our shiplap wall. So we decided to do it as a vertical shiplap and make the wall look taller. But can you see that beautiful Acacia Haze paint color on there by Sherwin Williams? It is just fantastic. Oh my goodness sakes. So then as we walk around this space, there we have our island bar top. Oh my goodness, isn't it amazing? This is gonna be a huge island for them to be able to entertain at. So exciting. Oh, such a pretty countertop. This is Arizona Tile Renoir Quartz. Oh, it's just magnificent. We'll walk you back in here to the laundry room. Oh, she's just looking so pretty. So the laundry room is Sherwin Williams Anew Gray. Didn't this just turn out sharp in here? Oh my goodness. We've done pure white for the trim and doors. And then in here, Gossamer Veil is our wall color. But doesn't this just look amazing? Oh, I'm so excited about the paint. Just looks incredible. Over here in this office space, we did use the Anew Gray again. Oh, just to give it a touch more color than the Gossamer Veil, because the Gossamer Veil can look pretty white when the sun is hitting it, and the Gossamer Veil still looks gray. But over here in the guest suite, we have the beautiful Gossamer Veil again. Oh, it's just a beautiful color. Oh my word. Oh, and then the piece de resistance, we have this bathroom. I know it's a little bit dark, but how beautiful this color looks in the dark is just incredible. Vent fan's the only thing hooked up, but oh, can you see how pretty that is together? Oh my goodness. So, shower's done, the walls are painted, and it just looks fantastic. Oh, this is that Acacia Haze again. Oh, she's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my word. And then we've got this custom built in here that was part of the original home, so we kept it. Had some new doors put on it, and then those were painted. Oh, just so amazing. All these new doors. I love the 5-panel door that we decided on for this home. It's just beautiful for the style of the home. It's incredible. Just incredible. All right, so we've got guys back in here. I'm gonna go to the master. So we can look at the walls. Again, we did the Anew Gray on the walls in the master. And the big sliding glass door, it's gonna look amazing. Oh, beautiful. And then we're headed to the master bathroom. So all of our tile is covered with tape because they're gonna paint the ceiling next, but that just looks fantastic against the backdrop. It's gonna be so nice. Friends, thanks for being here with us on this journey. We so appreciate you being along with us for Coffee and Construction in Arcadia, episode 43. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.